Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Reports.
The euro jumped against the US dollar before paring gains in a choppy session on Thursday, after the European Central Bank delivered a 50 basis point rate hike to tame inflation in its first rate increase since 2011. Amazon customers across major cities in the US may soon start seeing a new type of vehicle delivering their packages. Amazon began sending out its fleet of Rivian-built electric delivery vans across several cities, including Baltimore, Phoenix, Chicago, Dallas, and more. Oil prices slumped, with aggressive monetary policy tightening and larger-than-expected US gasoline inventories prompting demand worries, while Russia's move to return gas to Europe eased supply issues. The Aussie gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. Tesla's stock gained 6.5% in the last session, after rising as much as 6.6% during the session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The dollar-yen pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1700 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.